Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. This video, I'm going to show you the scanners, which is double candlesticks pattern and multiple candlesticks pattern that I'm going to follow with continuation pattern. So here previously we are discussing about the reversal pattern. The reversal pattern where the market is going down and we are finding out such a reversal opportunity or buy opportunity. Here if the trend continues, okay, if it is going up, so using this candlesticks pattern we will find out still the continuation of the trend. So if it is uptrend, so we will find out the candlesticks pattern again. There is another chances the trend should continue, so that we are going to using the candlesticks pattern. So we will going to follow on this video, so that I'm going to create a dashboard for my charting. So I'm going to update. So what are the candlesticks pattern which we are going to discuss here? First, the double candlesticks pattern, one is separating line, which is a separating line bullish and bearish. So let's try to tell you with that images of separating line. So that is already we made a video, but I will take a just look at out. So the first candle should be black and the second candle will open above this level or equal to the level. So that is what bullish separating. And if it is a bearish separating, so where you can see this one is the bearish separating. First day should be showing a bullish, but next day market open gap lower from the close and it started nearby the previous day open and it is ending with the lower. So that is what a bearish separating line as well as bullish separating line. So these two are continuation pattern, whether the trend is going to continue. So that I'm going to create a dashboard that we already created on our charting. And the second one is on neck and in neck pattern, right? That we already made a video on neck pattern. So we don't find out about most of the time. So here the on neck pattern, in neck pattern. So here there is a on neck pattern as well as in neck pattern. Both are equal and confusing. Last video we made, we already created a code. Previous day should be the down day, okay, and market opens gap lower and ending with the lowest level and closing to the someone who ending with the open price or close price. So that is what on neck and in neck pattern. And again, so rising 3 method and falling 3 method, which we are going to add here. So rising 3 methods we already discussed about. 3 red candle with the single candle will cover all the 3 candles. 3 red candles, it is covered by a single candle. Rising 3 method and falling 3 method, same opposite. The 3 white candles inside and let's see falling 3 method, this one 3 white candle and the next one should be the big red candle. So this candlesticks pattern I'm going to create because we already created the scanners. Now I'm going to create my dashboard to find out the stocks. So first one is a separating line. So we already created a separating line, which I is searching for that separating line, bullish as well as bearish. So I can monitor on my dashboard daily trade setup. So first we will create a dashboard now. Continuation pattern. Continuation pattern. I'm going to make private, save. So now I'm going to my dashboard, that is screeners, separating line. So I'm going to take bullish separating line. I'm going to search bullish separating line, which I am going to monitor on my dashboard. That is what continuation pattern. So where I'm going to save, yes, I'm going to save it now. So I'll just give you some colors. It looks good when I see that one. We'll go for this. So this is what I'm going to create my scanners. So I already have the scanners. Now I have added in my dashboard. So separating line bullish, we have Lalpath Labs. So let's try to check it out. After creating the dashboard, we will check it out. Separating line again, there is bearish separating line. where I'm going to monitor on my dashboard on candlesticks continuation pattern. And again we give you colors, this one, this one. Save that. I'll submit it out. Now we don't have any candle which forms. Let's see lal path lab what will happen. So before that we will add one neck and on neck patterns. So one neck and on neck patterns we will use both the trends, so buy as well as sell, right? So on neck and in neck. On neck, let's go to create on neck pattern, monitor on my dashboard. Let's give you different colors. Again, going to save it now. On neck bearish continuation, and again dashboard. There is a no stock which find in neck pattern, neck bearish continuation pattern. So this one we can use for a bearish as well as bullish. So I'm going to monitor on my dashboard. I will save it out, give you such a colors. While we seeing that it looks good, that's why I'm making a colors. On neck, in neck. So in neck pattern, we'll see escorts on the ultratex. So the escorts. So where can we focus for that escorts? And the 4 we have added now, and rising and falling 3 methods. If you add, then that is a completion of this dashboard. Let's add rising 3 methods daily. We'll add it to my dashboard. Enter on my dashboard. Okay. Now I'm going to make a colors. The summit. Rising 3 method looks Asian paint, comes under the scanner. So let's check what are the scanners which we are going to use. And finally we are going to make falling 3 method. Falling 3, I search the scanner. I'm going to add my dashboard. So falling 3 method, we'll go to use the colors 3. Okay. Now my dashboard is ready. This is what we are expecting, continuation patterns. So where the trend is continuation. Separating line bullish, that is lal path lab. Let's see lal path lab. This is here, close and open above that level, and it is closed. So what we are expecting, this separating line candlestick pattern on the lal path lab, whether if it is breaking that level we can go for a buy, or breaking below the level we can go for a sell. So there is a 2 opportunity we can use it. Okay, so that is looks good, and no other stocks were scanned. And rising 3 method, Asian paint. Let's check Asian paint, which forms a rising 3 method. Somewhere 1 2 3, and here it is rising, but this one is not a look. So 3 red candle we are expecting, but this one is a big green candle. Sorry, this one is a green candle. 1 2 3 red candle, but this is not a red, so this is not exactly not good for a rising 3 methods. Okay, so let's leave it. Asian paint. So yes cards, let's check yes cards, looks good or not. Yes, what happened here in S cards? In neck bearish continuation pattern. So can you see that in neck bearish continuation? The 2 candles reversal. Whenever we see this kind of pattern, that is more powerful, right? Okay, so we will mark it out. And again, Ultratech cement. Ultratech cement. Again, it looks good. This kind of pattern which is forms very rarely, but after forming that, there is a good reversal we can expect whenever this kind of candlesticks. So now we created almost our dashboard about single candlesticks, double candlesticks, triple candlesticks, everything we created it right now. So from Monday onwards we will plan trade based on that scanners and screeners, how we are going to make such a trade. So thank you for watching this video, and thank you very much. Thanks for your subscription. We are doing lot more, and I was thankful to you all, my 3000 subscribers. I was thanking you once again. Thank you very much.